Hi there, how are you? Welcome to my channel on Easy Chinese. This is Hen Jiandu here. If you're a beginner, please check below links about the writing and the pronunciation of Chinese characters. If this is your first time to be here, please subscribe to my channel to have new updated videos. This episode, I'm going to introduce 18 basic Chinese characters. As you know, trying basic Chinese characters just like roots to English vocabulary, from which other complicated words is composed. For example, like this. This character, composed by 3 basic characters. One is this, and this, and this. Have another example like this. Very complicated, with it seems endless strokes. But actually, it is composed by this character, this character, this character, and this. Total 4 characters. There are only 100-something basic Chinese characters. If you are a serious learner, 10 characters a day, then you will master all of them just in a little more than 10 days. Okay, let's start with today's characters. First one is Niu. Niu. Ne, Yu. Second one, Yu. Ne, Yu. Niu. Cattle, cow. We call all animals look like cattle, cow as Niu. In Chinese Asian dictionary, character Niu, write like this. This will help you to memorize new character with the 2 horns and the head. Okay, next, Ma. Ma, Ma. Mo, Ma. Horse, horse. This character, just like a standing horse. Standing horse with 2 rear legs. Okay, next, Yang, sheep, Yang, Yi, Ang, second term, Ang, Yang. We call all animals look like sheep as Yang. Here, 2 horns, body, and hair. Next, Quan, dog, Qi, Yuan, Quan, dog. This character is big, then big, with a dot to left hand side. In last video, I introduced head. Okay, with the 2 dots to left side head. You can memorize them together. Quan is changed its form to like this while composing some characters. Next, Miao, bird, ne, yi, ao, niao, yi, yao, yi, ao, ne, yao, niao, bird. The structure looks like Ma. It is like a bird with a big eye and look upward and standing on a branch. Miao. Okay, next. Cong. Ci, second term, ci, cong. Worm and insect. Very small living creature with the legs and without legs we call 虫, worm and insect. Next, fish, 鱼, fish. Looks like this. The main body. Okay. With the tail. 鱼 fish. Next, 背 shell, and the sea creatures, living creatures with the shell. Bei. You can memorize like this. Here's the shell. And with the tentacles stretching outside. Okay, shell. As you know, in ancient times, people take shell as money to exchange products. So, characters with the bei part has such features like money, trade, commerce, etc. Next, dao. Next, dao, knife. De, ao, dao, knife, knife. The shape is like a knife, right? And it changed its form to be this, to some characters, and to other characters, to this. Next character, bi, bo, yi, bi, a short knife, dagger, stiletto. Okay. Next, san, shi, an, san, first one, san, mountain, just like this mountain. Okay. Next, shi, stone, shi, fixed combination, shi, stone. In classical Chinese dictionary, shi write like this: cliff, a stone fold from cliff. Shi. Next, tian, te, yi, an, tian, te, yi, an, tian, second tone, tian. Cropland. Here is a piece of square land with paths intersected. Okay. Okay. Next, he, second tone, he. Plant of cereal, especially plant of rice. In classical Chinese dictionary, he write like this: right like this. Here just like a roots. Here leaves, and here ear. Okay. Next, rice, mi, mo, yi, mi, rice. The grain without shell, mi, rice. Next. Next, hua. Next, hua, flower. He, wu, a, hua, flower. Okay. And next, cao, grass. Ci, ao, cao, grass. We take this structure as head of grass. Okay. Then cao, composed by head of grass, and ri, and shi. Cao. Turn back to hua. Turn back to hua. Hua is composed by cao, head of cao, ren, and bi. Okay. Then turn back to this character, cat, with quan character, and grass of head, cao, grass of head, and tian. Right? Okay. Final character, 竹, 枝, 无, 竹, bamboo, bamboo, 枝, 无, 竹, just like leaves of bamboo. Okay? 竹 changed its form to like this while composing some other characters. Bamboo is also very important basic character. Ancient China is an agricultural society. Bamboo is important to their daily life, something like a basket made from bamboo. Okay, that's all for this episode. I don't think that the structures are complicated. Just the matching of the structure and the pronunciation is a difficulty. I think if you're a serious learner, you'll find your way to match them very well. And I'm going to finish this video with my handwriting of a standard stroke sequence. Hope you enjoy it. See you next time.